I walk in the history of my people, Christos.
There are women locked in my joints for refusing to speak to the police. My red blood full of those arrested in flight, shot. My tendons stretched brittle with anger do not look like white roots of peace. In my marrow are hungry faces who live on land the whites don't want. In my marrow, women who walk 5 miles every day for water. In my marrow, the swollen faces of my people who are not allowed to hunt, to move, to be.
In the scars on my knee, you can see children torn from their families, bludgeoned into government schools.
You can see through the pins in my bones that we are prisoners of a long war.
My knee is so badly wounded, no one will look at it. The pus of the past oozes from every pore. The infection has gone on for at least 300 years. My sacred beliefs have been made pencils, names of cities, gas stations. My knee is wounded so badly that I limp constantly. Anger is my crutch. I hold myself upright with it. My knee is wounded. See how I am still walking?
Wasago